This might be an old shovel head, dude.
I hope.
Feels really weird.
See what we got on here.
Feels heavy, dude, but who knows? It's been a while since I had a big one. I thought it was on the bottom. It's coming up slow, dude.
Oh, that's a big cap. Yeah.
This thing is still working good.
That's a good fish. That's a big fish.
He ain't fighting that hard, he's just heavy, dude.
We're gonna build that beside that thing for your dad.
Looked like that one you caught last time. Oh, no. Don't get away.
Get him close. Oh, he's hooked on the fin.
No, that's where the line's tangled.
Oh shit, he rolled out. I can't fucking.
Ron don't want me to beat his record.
No, I don't. I can't get him in the fucking net. Yeah.
Wait, get underneath his head. There we go.
I'll try.
Hold it right like that. I'll pull it right to you.
Yeah. Hold on.
Right, I got him hooked in the corner of his mouth.
You're gonna have to hold that.
I don't know. I wish they'd get rid of those. I'm trying to hurry here. Yeah, where's the gripper? Go and keep them on you. You got the scale?
I don't. I got it's in your bag still.
Oh, right here. I wasn't prepared. I didn't think we were going to catch any. Motherfucker gotta be 25 pounds. Oh wait, I gotta wait for it to. Wrong.
20, 23, 23. Say 23.
A little over 23 somewhere.
23.
Oh, he's best.
Yeah, now he's active. This one photo or?
Yeah. Give me a photo. Fuck. Where's it at?
I'll see down there, bro. Oh, you're the pole.
Oh shit. Up this off. Get her. There, hold it up against this thing. Here, you might want to. There you go.
All right.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. What the fuck? All right. Let's get his ass out there. He's been out too long. Yeah, my other bull's fucking gone. Thank God the drag pulled out. It bent that thing down too, I think. You gonna get frisky or what?
Tear the album out.
Oh, all right, he's all right. I'm back on top, baby.